Hey, good morning, guys. It's, I don't know, I think it's the 20th or 21st. I don't know, it's Saturday, about 1 o'clock p.m. here in southwest Georgia. And we got these freaky deakies being pushed around rather violently by this wind. I mean, just look at that. And look at that. I saw Deer Hunter put out a video, I don't know, the last few hours anyway. He put out several, but put out one, and I think it might have been Matt Man's footage. I'm not really sure about that. But anyway, very similar to these bad boys. Very mechanical. Well, I can tell you. Boy, we're in for it, y'all. Look at all that. Huh? It's somewhere.